Alright guys, welcome to my office slash shop. This is a room that I've had for a while now. It used to be my shop and with kids moving back in, they need a place to stay, so this is converted back into a bedroom for them. And now all the kids are finally gone, so I'm able to get my space back. And as you see, this is my main PC right there, and this is where I play games, edit videos, all that shit happens right here. I've got some storage over here, and if I just add a couple more shelves in there, I can stack some storage there, so that'll be nice. Right now I've got computers tucked, one under there, some back over there. Trying to get all these parts organized here. Get some, cool stuff on the shelf like Cousin It. And there's my auction monkey. Got him at an auction for like $2, so that's cool. Freaked my wife out, which is the reason why I bought it. And here we've got, boxes. We got some motherboards here and shit. Some of these are empty like this. This is my graphics card here. This was mine. This is my wife's. So these two boxes there are empty, along with like this one here. That's her motherboard. So they're only saved for warranty and stuff like that. But then you got like the ones for the power supplies here. They have all your extra cables and shit in them. So, and then I've got some other things I found is still in the box, which is kind of cool. Yeah, this is something I'm going to take a look at here in the future too. That's something I just picked up that's in the box, so that's kind of cool. And I got my half project up there that we'll get back onto one of these days. And I got the kids coming to pick up their shit. This is my kids' stuff. This is one of them right here. He's got the 3800X and RX 580 on a tough X570. So the thing is, he's also got, I don't know which box it's in here. He spent a decent amount of money on this stuff, but he splurged on his RAM. I mean, he's got 32 gigabytes of this DDR4 4400, this this Viper Patriot Steel. I mean, it's good RAM, but he splurged for 32 gigabytes of that, and of course, he can't run it at 4400. And then the other kid, he's got to pick up his stuff. He's got his 1080 Ti. This is his Ryzen 9. Does it say on here what it is? Yeah, 3950X. So he's got the 16 core 32 thread. He's got 16 gigs of the same memory. Meanwhile, I run Team Group. So yeah, they got to come pick up their shit. And over here, this is my workspace. So it's nice to have a decent workspace again. I do got to get it organized still. I've got, still got a couple things shoved underneath there. I got a shelf up here that's really disorganized. I'm just trying to put up, just trying to get things organized right now, which is going to take a little bit of time. That's my FX system right there. And I got my bins. I've been trying to sort things in those bins, screws and shit. You can see I still got to do something with cables and whatnot, but it'll get there eventually. The biggest part was getting moved in here. And then here I've got like a stack of all kinds of shit going on here. This is all these computers here, they got to get gone through, either cleaned up and put up for sale or scrapped, depending on if they work or not. So, yeah, soldering station back there. And that's what this desk here was supposed to be, the soldering station, but I don't have nothing to solder at the moment, so I just shoved that back there. And then I also got bins back there that I of course can't get to right now. So yeah, it needs a lot of work. I get a little bit of lighting in here and stuff too, but yeah, it's gonna be cool when it's all done. It's nice to have this all this extra room here, so that when I do get it all organized, I'll probably end up with a couple more shelves up there on that wall. When I get this all nice and organized, this is going to be pretty sweet. All right, just want to show off the new shop to you guys. You guys take care. I will see you soon.